Now, this might sound strange to some people, but Disney World used to feel relaxing, not boring, not slow, relaxing. You could spend a full day in the parks and leave tired, but not stressed. And somewhere along the way, that changed. Today, Disney World can feel overwhelming in a way that it never used to. And once you notice it, you can't unnotice it. I'm Lee with All About the Duck, and this video is part of our series, Disney Used to Do This Better. In this series, we're talking about the little things Disney used to do, the details, the feelings, the moments that longtime fans still miss today. This isn't about bashing Disney, it's about understanding what made it feel magical. Years ago, Disney World had a very different pace. You waited in lines, but you didn't feel like you were racing the clock. You didn't feel pressure to be in a specific place at a specific time all day long. You could wake up and decide what kind of a day you wanted to have after you arrived. Ride heavy day, slow day, show day, all of those felt valid. You weren't constantly checking the time. You weren't worried about missing your next window. Disney World used to give you room to breathe. One thing that made old Disney World feel especially relaxing was that doing nothing felt completely okay. You could sit on a bench and people watch. You could linger after a show. You could enjoy a long lunch just because it felt nice to slow down. Those moments weren't wasted time, they were part of the magic. You soaked in the atmosphere. You noticed the little details. You helped the day feel balanced, not rushed. Today, there's more to choose from, and with that comes a bit more planning. Breaks sometimes turn into quick check ins. What's next? Or what should we do after this? And that subtle mental shift can change how the day feels if you're not careful. Modern Disney World offers more tools and options than ever before, all designed to help guests fit a lot into their day. You could plan, book, and adjust on the fly, which is great if you want to do more. But with all the flexibility, it's easy to feel like you should always be doing something next. For first time visitors, especially, that can be a little overwhelming. Instead of simply being in the moment, you may find yourself thinking ahead to what's coming up. Old Disney World felt simpler that way. It asked less of your attention and made it easier to let your day unfold naturally. When relaxation fades, the experience can feel different. You're a little less present. You're a little less patient. It's harder to notice those spontaneous, unexpected moments. Disney World used to feel like a true escape, a place where the outside world naturally faded away. Today, with more to plan, more choices to make, the day can sometimes feel more structured. And that doesn't make Disney bad at all. It makes it different. For longtime fans, that shift simply is easier to notice. The good news is, absolutely yes, Disney World can still feel relaxing. It just helps to approach it with a little intention. That might mean leaving room for unplanned time. And honestly, there are days when I purposely don't rely on the My Disney Experience app at all. I let the day unfold naturally and just enjoy being there. It starts with accepting that you won't do everything and giving yourself permission to slow down the pace when you need. Some of the most relaxing Disney moments still happen when you stop trying to perfect the day and start enjoying where you are. That's often that old Disney feeling quietly finds its way back. Even on your first trip, it's okay to leave space for moments like that. If this is the Disney World you fell in love with, you're going to want to subscribe. This entire series about the Disney World we miss and why it mattered. And in the next episode, we're talking about the little Disney World details that quietly disappeared and why there are more than we realize. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Disney World feels more stressful now, or have you found ways to slow it down? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, see you real soon.